If Microsoft Edge keeps opening MSN every time you launch the browser, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove MSN as your homepage in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix if you want Edge to open to a blank page, your favorite website, or a custom set of pages instead of MSN. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find all of Edge's main settings and options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will open the full Microsoft Edge settings page. On the left side, or sometimes in the main settings area depending on your version, click Start, Home and New tabs. This section controls what happens when you open Edge, when you click the Home button, and how new tabs behave. Next, look for the option under When Edge Starts. Here, you want to select Open these pages. This tells Edge to load specific websites when the browser opens. If MSN is currently set there, you'll see msn.com listed in the Pages section below. Find msn.com in the list carefully. Once you see it, click the three dots next to it. A small menu will appear with more options. From that menu, click Remove. That will delete MSN from the pages Edge opens at startup. If you want, you can now add a different homepage or leave it blank depending on your preference. After removing msn.com, you can close the Settings tab and your changes should be saved automatically. The next time you open Microsoft Edge, it should no longer launch MSN as your homepage. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.